This is Brian Ghilliotti. I decided to actually follow the advice of that wall with the lithic pancake stack that had the stone on its very top that was pointing in 150 degree, 300 degree azimuth. And as I was walking in the 150 degree direction, well, I came here, and I've been here before. I was trying to find this place, and the rate I was going, I was never going to find it. Wow, I've been here before. This is exactly where I was the last time I was here. Good Lord. Yeah. Whoa. You go down there. Look at that. That's the valley. And that's what I call the diamond rock right there. And if you go down there, all the way down, you'll see a stone-lined pit. So yes, maybe, oh, call me nuts. Maybe they saw me come back hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago, who knows?